All right, some water started. I can hear water, but nothing's hitting me. I'm pretty scared. If you're like me, sometimes life can be pretty messy, and there's nothing you can do to fix that. But maybe I have a solution for you. It's a bidet. What I got was the Alpha JX bidet. I purchased it online after searching around for about 10 minutes. Heck, it's even made in America, but most importantly to me, it comes with free return. So I guess I can make a couple drops, and if it doesn't work out for me, I guess I can return it. I know you might be thinking that I'm crazy, and you're probably right, but it does make sense. I mean, all you're doing when you use toilet paper is you're smearing last night's dinner all over your bum. It doesn't seem very clean to me. It makes sense to wash it off. I don't have any experience doing this. I've never used one before. I've seen them in Italy. I've seen them in fancy hotels, but they always look like miniature bathtubs. And I couldn't quite figure out how you would contort yourself to wash your privates. But this one, you just sit on it, and I think it washes you. By the way, did you know that more than 70% of the world's population doesn't use toilet paper at all? And if I live the average lifespan, I'm going to wipe the equivalent of 384 trees on my butt. And I have a tendency to wipe hard, so that's a lot of splinters that I'm not going to get if I use the bidet. I've been waiting all day for this thing to arrive. I've got one loaded and ready to fire, so let's get it on the toilet and try it out. Well, all right, I've got it all installed. It took me maybe about 15 minutes. It's super easy. You do have to have power, though, behind your toilet. I ran power yesterday. Comes with this fancy remote control to control it. Looks like I want to turn the seat heat on. I mean, who wants a cold seat? And looks like water temperature. Well, gosh, I want warm water on my butt, so let's turn that all. Maybe we shouldn't turn it all the way up. Let's go medium on that. All right, let's go try this thing out. Oh, okay. When I sat on the toilet seat, somehow it knew that I sat down, and some water started running. Didn't touch me, but some water ran into the bowl. And I gotta tell you, the toilet seat is super warm. I'm hoping that since I'm follically challenged down there a little bit, that this will really wash me off good. I'll admit I'm pretty scared, but I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm back, and a couple observations. First of all, the toilet seat's higher than I'm used to, but I kind of like that. My toilet was high to begin with, and the hole inside the seat is definitely smaller than it was before, but not too small. I can fit everything down there, and the warm seat, though, is really nice. I did read in the manual, if you sit here more than 30 minutes, it turns down the seat temperature to make sure you don't get burned. I think it's pretty unlikely to get burned, but anyways, here's my question. So I just made a movement. I've never done this before. I would say that it is a semi-solid, and I question whether or not I should do a wipe first or go straight for the jet stream. And I suppose to really test it out, I should just go straight for the jet stream. So here it goes. There are several settings. There's nozzle, front or rear. There's oscillation, things like that. But there is a button that says wash and dry. I think it hits my bum with the blow dryer. So here it goes. I'm going to go ahead and hit it, and let's see what happens here. Is it going to hit me in the right spot? You know, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Here we go. All right, some water started. I can hear water, but nothing's hitting me. I'm pretty scared. Ah! Oh! Whoa! Okay. Whoa, that's a dead-on hit. And it's warm. It's more of a jet stream than I was expecting. I was thinking more like a fan nozzle. It's moving around now. Water's still warm. Wow. This is not bad. I feel like it's getting me really clean. And it's very right in the spot. It's not, my cheeks aren't, okay, it just stopped. Oh, okay, the blow dryer's starting. Blow dryer, it's a little bit of warm air, but it's kind of cool right on the spot, you know, because I'm so wet there. I mean, this is crazy. I wonder how long this is going to blow dry for. The remote control just says that a fan's blowing. Blow dryer. This is crazy. I do know for sure that had I wiped, it would have been at least a 3 wiper and then maybe a wet wipe at the end there to finish it up. I don't feel it's wet. The dryer feels much warmer now too. It just beeped. Okay, I guess I'm done. So I guess the test is to see if there's anything left, right? See if I'm clean. With a little bit of water on my right butt cheek, but wow. My bum is super clean.